Hey Fashion Instas. I am Anna. Welcome back to the latest celebrity style update. Are you ready to step into a world where fashion meets fantasy, where style transcends reality? Join us on a journey as we unveil the breathtaking transformation of Alexandra Daddario into a celestial woodland nymph for the legendary 2024 Met Gala. Picture this: the iconic red carpet, the whispers of anticipation, and Daddario herself, draped in a masterpiece by Christian Dior haute couture. But what lies beyond the gown? Let's delve deeper into the enchantment, shall we? Ever wondered what it takes to embody the essence of a woodland nymph? Dive into an exclusive interview with makeup virtuoso Lottie Stannard as she reveals the secrets behind Daddario's ethereal allure. How does one capture the magic of the forest, you ask? With a custom Dior gown adorned with delicate butterflies, lace, and a crown fit for a mystical queen, of course. But the real magic lies in the details. The golden tears makeup look that mesmerized onlookers and stole hearts. What's the key to achieving a flawless complexion worthy of the red carpet? Get ready to unlock the secrets as Stannard shares her expert tips and tricks, from the perfect base to the celestial halo eyes adorned with shimmering gold. But it's not just about the makeup. It's a symphony of beauty, from the cheeks kissed with Dior glow to the lips adorned with soft rose hues. And let's not forget the eyes, the captivating windows to the soul. How does one create a gaze that ensnares hearts and captures imaginations? With the artistry of Dior show, of course. From the sultry black liner to the iconic mascara, Daddario's eyes spoke volumes, leaving a trail of enchantment in her wake. As we unravel the mysteries behind the snake crown and the shimmery golden tears, one thing becomes clear. Daddario's transformation was more than just a red carpet moment. It was a journey into the realms of fantasy and fashion. Ready to make your mark in the world of fashion and beauty? Join the conversation below and share your thoughts on Alexandra Daddario's enchanting transformation into a woodland nymph for the 2024 Met Gala. From the ethereal gown to the mesmerizing makeup, every detail is an invitation to indulge in the magic of haute couture and red carpet glamour. What's your favorite element of Daddario's look? Are you inspired to recreate the celestial halo eyes, or perhaps channel your inner woodland queen with a touch of Dior glow? Let your voice be heard and ignite the conversation. After all, fashion is all about self-expression and embracing the extraordinary. Don't be shy, darlings. Comment below and let's spark a fashion revolution together.